Imagine a dent-free, sleek vehicle in your driveway. With Bondo and a few other body repair tools, it's entirely achievable. Bondo, a versatile putty, fills in dents and scrapes on your vehicle's body. Smooth it out, let it dry, and voila, you've got a surface ready for paint. Pair it with a good sanding tool to perfect the finish. Remember, the key here is patience and precision. So why wait? Transform your vehicle home repair into a DIY masterpiece today. With Bondo in your toolkit, you're the artisan of auto repair.